cinnamon.
See if he'll give you a kiss.
I don't know.
Say, Jango, give me a kiss.
No.
Hi, Jango. Hi, Jango. Give me a kiss.
He's like, hi. Leopard's in the way, Mom.
Sorry.
I have no idea what he's saying. Hi. Whoa. I think Waldo's really jealous.
Well, don't be jealous, buddy.
Hi. Doesn't he say what all the other birds say too? Yeah.
He says hello. He says, I love you.
Doesn't he say, give me a kiss? I think I heard him.
He says you're beautiful as well.
He also says, shut up.
He does.
Uh-huh. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Hi.
Ha 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 ha.
It sounds like he's saying my name. If he
It
says.
does.
Hi.
Say, Sylvia.
It's because he hears us yell all the time.
Hi.
Hello.
I don't know what it is with raising my hand.
See if he'll step up on your arm.
Up.
Say, step up.
Step
but
up.
You gotta go higher.
Step up.